Bai Lu is a Chinese actress. She was born Bai Mingyan on 23 September 1994 in Changzhou, Jiangsu, China. In 2012, she participated in SM Entertainment's overseas audition but failed to be selected. She then became a model. In 2015, Bai participated in a series of short films produced by Katri Studio. She also starred in Lu Hu's music video Liu Yan. In 2020, Bai starred in the workplace romance drama Love is Sweet alongside Luo Yangji playing an idealistic but intelligent financial analyst. In 2019, Bai starred in the Shanzha drama The Legends alongside Shu Kai where her role as an overbearing demoness received positive reviews. The same year, she starred in the youth military drama Arsenal Military Academy and romance comedy drama Lucky's First Love. She was also cast in the historical romance drama Zhu Lu Overload alongside Lai Ye. In 2018, Bai starred in historical romance drama Untouchable Lovers, playing dual roles in the series as a female general and a princess concubine. She was awarded the Newcomer Award at the IKEA All-Star Carnival for her performance. In 2016, Bai signed a contract with Yu Zheng's entertainment company Hun Yu Film. She then acted in her first television series Rausch, playing a noble lady. In 2017, Bai starred in the historical comedy television series King is Not Easy, which is her first leading role. The same year, she was cast in the fantasy drama The Monkey King, Land of Beauty as the female lead.